Hi guys, and welcome back to Audio Trends TV. Very excited today because we have the rep from Tivoli Audio, Anthony, here.
Thanks, Daniel. Great to be here.
And he's going to be going through the new range of Tivoli radios.
Hi guys. Thank you to the team at Audio Trends for having me today. Super excited to present three of the new products from Tivoli Audio, which are being released literally as we speak. So first we'll start off with the brand new Model 2 Digital. So this is in typical Tivoli fashion, furniture grade, real wood veneer cabinets, absolutely stunning, and a completely new grille design to aid with that retro look which we love and which is what Tivoli is so noted for. This product here is available in three finishes. So this one here you can see is in the walnut and gold grille finish. We have a white and silver grille finish and a black on black finish. So this product here is not your traditional radio, it is a Wi-Fi Bluetooth speaker. So it is Bluetooth compatible, obviously has an auxiliary input on the back as well, so you can plug in a turntable, a CD player or any other device that you'd like via a cable. Also has built-in Wi-Fi with AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect and Chromecast all built into the unit. So you can control the unit via your phone, laptop, tablet, etc. So you can play all your favorite music as well as all your radio stations that are based on the internet. Really simple design as far as one button controls everything on the unit. So as you can see via the strip LED on the front panel here, we simply press the button. We've got auxiliary input via green, orange is your Wi-Fi connection, and blue is Bluetooth, so pretty simple really. Also your volume control, obviously source select, and once you're on Wi-Fi mode, it's also track select as well by pressing and holding and turning left or right. Really simple, really easy to use. The beauty of this product for people familiar with Tivoli radios and the obviously famous and original Model 1 BT, which is still going after more than 20 years of production. This particular model is around 30% bigger in size, in enclosure size, so it allows you to get a much bigger sound, and it's also for the first time Tivoli using a multi-driver setup. So it has one full range driver and one tweeter built in. The other thing that Tivoli is starting to do now, which I think is sensational, is they're incorporating DSPs into their amplification. So they're able to tune the sound perfectly for the driver and the cabinet size, so you get an amazing sound from such a small cabinet. It really is an immersive sound and one that as an audiophile I'm more than pleased to listen to day in day out, so I know that everyone who buys one will be very excited with it. Okay, next we move on to a couple of really new products as far as a different category for Tivoli. They've always had their little PAL radios, portable radios that have been around for nearly 20 years. They've really stepped it up in both physical size but performance with the new Songbook here, this little brown one here, and the Songbook Max, this product here. So let's start with the Songbook. So the Songbook is a portable, rechargeable Bluetooth speaker as well as an auxiliary input speaker so that you can plug other devices into. But the other beauty of this thing is it's kind of looks like a guitar amp, and that is because you've got these magnificent toggle switches here, which I personally love, but you can plug your guitar or microphone into this 6.3mm input here, click the switch, you've got yourself a guitar amplifier or a microphone, so you can sing along to a song or karaoke, whatever you choose. The other thing is, once you have plugged in your guitar or microphone, you can still run a Bluetooth song over the top, so you can play to that song or sing to that song, which is a really cool feature. So here we've got the 3 analog EQ sliders, which are obviously a bit of a reference back to the roots of the 60s and 70s on a guitar amplifier. As much as they look cool, they are actually really functional. So you've got adjustable bass, mid and treble to really tailor the sound for both your environment and your preferences and what you like. You've got up and down, up plus and minus up to 6 decibel of difference. So you really can change the sound to your preference. Comes with a steel handle, not plastic, which I love. The beauty of this product also is its USB-C recharge, which is just on the back here, as is your Bluetooth pairing button here. It's a really quick charge time, about 3 hours to full charge, and up to 10 hours battery life. And I can confirm that it does give you that because I've been using this for about a month now, and absolutely at probably half to 60% volume, you'll get 10 hours absolutely no problems. Available in 2 colors. So you've got Mission Brown Cream, which is very retro, and my personal favorite, but each to their own, is the Avocado Whip, which is this color here. This product is available in both those colors, as is this one, which we'll move on to shortly. So now we move on to the bigger brother or sister of this particular unit, the Songbook Max. So the Songbook Max is a seriously hefty bit of kit. Again, we step things up with both power, multi-drivers. This one here has a dedicated subwoofer, mid-range and tweeter. More power, bigger cabinet, weighs nearly 7 kilos, so quite sturdy. Again, this is a battery-powered product, so USB-C recharge on the back, again, similar to this unit here. Up to 10 hours runtime again, and I can confirm it. But this one takes things a little bit further, one in both sound quality, sound output and features. So again, we have the same toggle switch setup for on and off. Also, again, we can use the 6.3 input for other devices that you'd like to use as an auxiliary. And we switch it to amplifier mode and it becomes a guitar amplifier. Again, you can use a microphone into the unit and still play your music via Bluetooth over the top to sing along or play your guitar to. So really cool features. Okay, so this one we step it up with also obviously an OLED display, and the display will give you both battery feedback so you know your charge state, but also a display for the other sources that this product has, which is both FM radio and DAB plus digital radio built in. The unit does have an aerial on the back for your FM and DAB, which obviously is nice and sturdy, sits back in that little slot. Again, USB-C charge, and you've got firmware updates available also for this unit. So the buttons on top of the unit, you've got 5 presets for DAB Plus and FM, as well as your Bluetooth pairing button and a scan button to scan your stations for DAB Plus. Your tuning dial here for your radio, both FM and DAB Plus, is this traditional looking Tivoli tuning dial, which is beautiful to use, smooth, very precise, great feel to it. Like the Songbook, you also have EQ sliders here, so bass, mid and treble adjustment. Again, in that retro slider look from the 60s and 70s. So basically you've got plus or minus 6 dB, and on this particular model you do get the feedback on the screen, on the display there, as you can see. So all in all, I absolutely love this unit. This retails for $8.99 and again is available through Audio Trends. They will have their first sample units in about a week's time, available to pre-order, and delivery is first week of November. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. I hope you love the new Tivoli products as much as I do. Thanks a lot. Cheers.